group of companies family, headed by my very good friend, Jojo, with his brother, Juan. The Assistant General Manager, Arnold Guillen. After Sales Management Head, Jojo Jose. And Head of Operations for Sales and Marketing, Norman Mandok. To our business partners, our co-manufacturers, our media friends, riders, distinguished guests who will make the Philippine motorcycle industry more colorful and exciting, needless to say, growing and growing. It is a very special day indeed. This is our third year celebrating the Guanzon Festival, and it is an honor to be witnessing this event with you all. Please accept our heartfelt gratitude, our Guanzon family, for your continuous trust to the Suzuki brand, and on behalf of Suzuki family, my warmest greetings for your 73rd anniversary.
At ngayon po, kasama natin si Mr. Jebotan ng Honda. Sir, kamusta naman po kayo ngayon?
Okay na okay tayo ngayon. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang daming tao dito. Taon-taon to ginaganap ang Guanzon Festival. O nga pala, pang-apat na tong Guanzon Festival.
I heard this is the 4th celebration and they're celebrating their 73 years.
Yes.
Ayan. Ano pa po ba ang pwede nating i-include na may sasabi natin regarding the Honda?
Okay. Actually, every day sa 3 araw, may iba't ibang activities tayo. Nung first day, nagkaroon tayo ng product seminar ng ating bagong-bagong Honda Beat. Sa pangalawang araw naman, sir, nagkaroon din tayo ng Dance Beat Tribal Kids, kung saan hinighlight natin yung mga ethnic dance with a twist of modern. At nung gabi, dinala natin dito si parokya ni Edgar. Bali, ngayong mamayang hapon po, this Sunday, magpapapremyo po si Honda ng bingo na ang ibibigay po natin ay click 125 po.
Maraming salamat.
Good morning. Mr. Joseph Ro, President of Guanzon, Vice Ma'am Ruby. Mr. Guanzon Ro, Vice President of Guanzon, Vice Ma'am Miley. To all Guanzon employees, my fellow guests, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Masantos ya Agu Edu Shikayo. Congratulations, Guanzon Group, on company for another year of festivity. The success of Guanzon Festival makes the people of Pangasinan happy, which Louis Kawasaki appreciated much for being part of it. Again, congratulations, Ham Barbarek, Ya, Salamat, and Skayo. Thank you very much.
At ngayon po kasama natin yung grupo ng mga riders na nag-join sa motorcade. Ito po yung Metric Methodist Riders Club. At ang kasama po natin na makakausap ngayon ay si Vice President nila, si Francis Caspe. Sir Francis, welcome po sa Karebap.
Yeah, salamat po. First time namin makadalo.
Ayan po, first time niyo pong nakasama dito sa Guanzon Festival.
Opo, sir. First time.
Sir, ano po bang mga ina-expect natin activities ng ating Guanzon Festival ngayon?
Well, katulad ng sinabi nila kanina, magandang panoorin yung mga magpre-present mamaya. Tsaka siguro masarap manalo nung premium motor mamaya.
Ayan, masarap talagang manalo at nagkaroon ng bagong motor. Sir, mga ano po bang activities ng ating Methodist Riders Club? Mga activities po ninyo, mga ride, meron po ba kayo mga schedule na ride?
Meron kami schedule na ride to Bigan sa March 2 and 3.
Ayun, March 2 and 3 mga Karebap, may ride po ang Methodist Riders Club.